I want to get a new car, but I'm not sure if it's a goal or just wishful thinking.
I understand. Let's start by breaking down your desire for a new car into a SMART goal.
Okay, how do I do that?
First, let's make it specific. What type of car do you want and why do you need it?
I want a new SUV because I need more space for my family.
Great. Now let's make it measurable. How much will it cost and how much money do you need to save?
I think I'll need about $5,000 to use as a down payment. I have $3,000, so I'm almost there. So I guess if I save about $500 a month, then it would only take a few months for me to get there.
Excellent. Now let's make it achievable. Is it realistic for you to save $500 a month?
Yes, I think so. I can cut back on some expenses to make it work.
Good. Now let's make it relevant. How does this goal align with your overall life plan?
It will help me provide a comfortable life for my family, which is important to me.
Finally, let's make it time-bound. Then, do you want to achieve this goal?
Ideally, I'd like to get it today, but realistically, I can wait until summer. Knowing I have the money will give me an advantage to buy one a little sooner if I find a good deal.
Great job. You have successfully turned your desire for a new vehicle into a SMART goal